Hi angels, welcome back to another video. So this is the second fake cake hat that I'm making. The first one obviously did not turn out that great. Maybe I'll post a video, maybe not. But I think this one, I learned from my mistake and it turned out absolutely gorgeous. I got this idea from Pinterest and also from TikTok. So I got my cowboy hat, I got some glitter, I got my... Oh, I was testing out the pipein tips that I got from Amazon. They turned out good. I was trying to figure out which one I wanted to use because the last time I just started decorating and it turned out a hot mess. But you know, you learn from your mistake. I just skipped past everything. I didn't tell you guys what you're going to need. You need some spackle. I got these lightweight spackle from Amazon, of course. I got some silicone piping bags and some tips. I got my glitter. I got the cowboy hat. And then I'm using some paint just to mix up whatever color that I wanted. I decided to go with red and then a little bit of some black. Well, it looks great to me. I thought it would be black, darker black, but I think I picked up the wrong paint. But it still turned out cute. I just wish that it was black. And my hand got a little heavy. I had way too much glitter in there. Now I'm just mixing up my glitter and my paint. Everything together. Just mixing. And you can see that it looks very, very gray. I didn't know how long this took to dry, so I was trying to do this as quickly as I possibly can. Mix up my colors. Now with the silicone piping bags. This is the first time I'm using these. And I think they work better than the ones that I used before. Now I'm just putting them on, put the tips inside. And I was like, okay, then I can just start filling it up with the colors. And obviously the bag's going to be tipping over, but I just wanted to get as close down as possible to the pipe, to the little tips, I mean. And then you can just start putting all your little spackle. I should have slowed down a little bit so you guys could see the glitter. That's what I was trying to show you guys. There's glitter. The glitter looks absolutely gorgeous. Obviously, there's not a lot of it. It wasn't popping up as much as I wanted, but the glitter looks so good. Let's just see what happens when it's dry. If it's going to be looking the same. So after that, I'm going to test out the tips later to see how it would look. But again, I'm moving as quickly as possible because I didn't know how long these would take to dry. So I mixed up my color. Well, I already mixed up my colors. I'm just piping everything now. Putting everything in the piping bag. And my table is going to get very, very messy. But, yeah, that's what happened. And I ran out of red paint. That there's not a lot in the little bottle. So, it wasn't as red as I wanted. I didn't mix it up all of the way, so we got some red, we got some white. Yeah, it looks pretty good. This got very, very messy. And I'm doing this on my bed. Ugh, my. Then I'm trying to clean up my table before I put down there the cowboy hat. But first, I need to check out how the pipe, how everything in the bag works. And thankfully, I did because the top of this one exploded. It opened up. I didn't tighten it enough, so I have to secure the top on there properly, close it off, and yep, that's what I'm doing. I'm doing the same thing to this one as well. This one was the black one was way too full, so that one was just spilling out. You see, just checking everything out, and everything's working great. I like the patterns of everything. Everything looks good. So I was like, okay, let's get started. So first, I'm just going to go around the edge of it with the black. And then after I do the edge, I'm going to do the corners and also in the middle as well. Yep. And that's pretty much it. You can kind of see the glitter. Oh, This looks so good. Oh, I forgot to add some glitter in the red one as well. But yeah, I was just hurrying. That's why I totally forgot it. This video is obviously very, very sped up, but this took a good little minute. Not a good little minute, but it just took some time. Wanted to make sure that everything was looking good. I should tell you from now that the camera angle for this is set up very, very bad. So you guys are not going to be seeing everything that I'm doing. Unfortunately. You're going to get the idea. So now I'm just going around the corner with the red. Ooh, look at it, look at it. And this is how the red one turned out. So cute. Kind of look like flowers. I don't know. But I just thought that this and the other one would look so good together. But yep. This is how the top looks. And I was like, okay, let's just add a little red around the corners as red as well. Because just red up top, that'll be very weird. And I'm going up top again with a little bit of some black around the edges. Because it looks very empty. And I'm running out of black. I was going to mix up some more, but I was like, I really don't need any. All those spaces in between, I'm going to fill them in later on. But first, let's finish the corners. I was just trying to show you guys what I was doing, but I was like, no, I got to pick it up so that I can do this better. But, yeah, you saw what I was doing there. This got very, very messy. I was trying not to touch the corners that I already did and not mess it up, but yeah, it turned out fine. Whatever space in between that you guys see right there, I'm just going to fill it in later on. But I was trying to get it closely to finish as possible. And that looks pretty good so far. And now we're done. Well, almost done. Now it's time to start adding on there the strawberries. The fake strawberries, of course. Add a little bit more some piping up top so that strawberries can stick to something. And voila. Gorgeous. Now I'm going to do some around the corners as red as well. I should probably add 2 at the bottoms as well. Oopsie. And that's it. It looks pretty good so far. And I missed some space up top, so I'm just going in with a little bit more of the black. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I was trying to show you guys the glitter in the black, but it wasn't popping up on camera. I think I'm going to just let everything sit overnight, 24 hours for it to dry, and then I'm going to spray some glitter on top of everything so that it could be shining. Alright, so I let this sit. It kind of is dry. I let it sit for like an hour. It still needs to fully harden, but it looks good so far. I spray a little bit of some glitter on there. I add a little bit of some glitter on there. Obviously, it's way too much, so I need to shake it off when it's completely dried. But this is just how it's looking so far. I like the way how it's turning out. Oh, there's a little mess right there. But this looks so cute already. Alright, so I'm going to let this dry overnight, 24 hours. It's still a little bit soft to the touch, but just wanted to show you guys how it turned out, how it looks. Give you a quick little close-up. It turned out so cute. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Toodaloo.